I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my linen-like sheet set. I chose this sheet set because I wanted a fabric that either was linen or looked like linen, because I wanted something that looked more natural this time around. As I'm redecorating my apartment in a new location, I wanted my apartment to feel cozy and natural and really have like earth tones in my apartment. So that's why I chose this sheet set that had this fabric. I chose this color because it was really beautiful. I love the mixture of the cream and gray. So I have this sheet set in my guest room, and I can tell you that it is nice and smooth and really comfortable to lay in. So I highly recommend it if you are looking for a good sheet set for your bed. This is a really comfortable, breathable material, and that's my point of view.